Oh yeah. Let's see if this stuff works, you guys. This is dry freaking ice, man. This stuff is expensive, you guys. But purpose of this video, we're gonna see if this stuff works. Have you guys ever had boom mat or kill mat that you need to remove? This car is kicking my butt. It has a bunch of this stuff when we did the transmission tunnel, and we need to get the rest of it out because we got to clean it up. We got a primer. We got to coat the floor still. We got to fix the seats. And I've seen a lot of people say dry ice works, but man, that is cold. But supposedly you put the dry ice on top of the boom mat, kill mat, and within 10 minutes, you can just break it right off. So we're going to see if that's going to work. We got our dry ice we just picked up at the store. Believe it or not, Albertson sells this stuff. This stuff is not cheap. It's about, they sell it by the pound, so it's about 25, 26 bucks per one of these blocks. We got 4 of them. We'll see if that's enough, hopefully. And then we'll put it on that. But we got our cooler here. We're going to take our cooler. We're going to break it up. We got our sledge down here. This bad boy right here. So Thor action. We're going to pop this out, put it in there, and then we'll put it on the kill mat on the car, and we'll see how that works. It is hot outside, so I don't know if that matters, but let's see. All right, you guys, that's about 2 bags right there. We're gonna start with that. Hopefully that's enough. We don't have a huge area, but man, I feel like Walter Wright with this thing, bro. This thing about to cook, you guys. Let me cook. Let's go to the car. I'll show you guys. All right, we are at the car, fellas. Look at this, man. This is what I've been doing. I've been trying to scrape a little bit at a time off, and it is a freaking nightmare. I've been using this guy right here, this little multi-tool, with just a scraper on it, and it is not fun. I mean, you can see how gummy it's a freaking mess, you guys. So we're gonna try it on that side. We got to do that side right there. We're gonna go ahead and basically take it and maybe lay it on there somehow and just kind of spread it out, let it sit for about 10-15 minutes, and then come back and then chip at it with the hammer, and we'll see if it works. All right, guys, should we start over here? Let's see where we can start at here. Let me cook, you know. Okay. Oh, yeah, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I totally forgot the intro. It is hot. As a matter of fact, let me see how hot it is, because I don't know if that matters with that dry ice. Hey, Siri, what's the temperature outside?
It's about 86 degrees outside.
86 degrees. The high today is 101, but not too bad. All right, let's start pouring this stuff on, and we'll see what happens. Call me Walter White, fellas. Yeah, man, look at this stuff. It's crazy. Sweating over here, you guys, even with the dry ice. But we're gonna let this stuff sit for maybe, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. Come back and start hitting with the hammer maybe, and see if anything breaks off. Find out.
15 minutes later.
All right, you guys, it's been about 12-14 minutes, something like that. We're gonna go ahead and scrape this off. We're gonna move this way, and then we'll hit it with the hammer over here and see if this stuff will come off or what in chunks. Like, the goal is to have it come off in like big chunks, like ice basically, right? Like break off. So let's scrape some of this off and see. Oh yeah, let's see. telling us it's not working. Let me grab a scraper and see if we can get underneath this thing. Oh, look at that. That's working a lot better, you guys. Check that out. Let's see. Kind of working. I mean, it's kind of working, you guys. I think we definitely have to let it sit on here longer. Maybe that would work. Obviously towards the edges it's a little harder because the ice wasn't on it, but it's definitely like coming off, but it's still a lot of work. So let me move some of this over here to the back side and maybe concentrate on this front side here, or this middle section.
Many minutes later.
This is taking way too long, guys. Way too long. I'm gonna grab the electric scraper that I was using. Maybe that will help kind of get underneath this thing, and maybe it'll come out better that way. Let's see. Say hello to my little friend. Oh my God, you guys. I'm sweating my butt off over here, but I don't know. This ain't working like I thought it was gonna work. Maybe it needs to stay on there longer. I can see that. Applying, like, I don't think it helps that it's 90+ degrees outside. Not at all. I can see how it would work, but it is not liking it. Maybe it depends on how old this stuff is as well. But I think we're just gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way and just kind of scrape until we got it all off. It's gonna take a long freaking time. Let me know if you guys experience anything like this, or knowing if any other better ways to get it out or remove this stuff, because there's no easy way, at least not that I've seen or I've heard. But if you guys got an idea, let me know. Put it down in the comments below. I just made a big ass mess, like a crazy mess now I gotta clean up. But hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell for notifications. And you guys already know, stay wrenching.